Hello everyone, welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about market risk analyzer. Alongside traditional finance management tasks such as cash management and liquidity assurance, effective market risk management is a decisive factor in securing your company's competitive position. In this field, the market risk analyzer offers extensive position evaluations such as market to market valuations of financial transactions. IT also includes tools for calculating risk and return figures, including exposure, future values, sensitives, and value at risk. When you run these reports, you can incorporate both contracted positions and fictitious financial transactions in the calculations. The valuations can be based on both real and simulated market prices. Thank you.